We are going to use the Office Lens app to snap a picture of a page in a book, and then we'll use Immersive Reader to convert it to machine readable text and then read it out loud. So I gotta wake up my iPad here. There it is. And we'll find the Office Lens app, which is right there. And Office Lens activates the camera. Video feedback, there it is. And the camera starts looking for something that it can interpret as a page or a rectangle. So I am here with my book. It is giving me a red line so that I can help line up my picture. And I'm going to say that's probably good enough. And I'm going to touch the document picture, the document icon, to snap the picture. It thinks about it for a while, straightens it out as much as it can, and I'm going to tap the red check mark to accept that picture. Now gives me an opportunity of where to export it to, and in this case I'm going to scroll down and send it to Immersive Reader. Immersive Reader is going to think about it, convert it to text, and show it to me ready to read it out loud. And it looks like it did a pretty good job of converting the text. So if I hit the play icon down at the bottom in the center, it will start reading it out loud at the selected speed, and it's showing me the currently selected text size.
Introduction. Back to the basics is a popular phrase these days, but I have tried to suggest in the title.
All right, so we have lots of control over the size of the text and the speed of the read out loud. First, I'm going to change the size of the text. So in the lower left-hand corner, I'm going to tap the icon that has the two A's. And this gives me the tools for changing the size. I'm going to reduce the size. I can get it very, very little. That's as small as it gets, and then we'll make it as big as we can get it. So we can get that big. So I'm going to send it back to somewhere in the middle, about there. There's also an option to increase the spacing between the words, which it calls wide text spacing, and that looks like this. Then there's options for the reading speed for the text-to-speech voice, and that's over in the lower right-hand corner, the speaker icon with the little gear. So right now, our current speaking rate is set to 1.44. I'm going to send it back to the 1.00 or so.
This is how fast Immersive Reader will read.
Normal speed. And so now, if I hit the play, it will start reading from where it left off at the normal speaking rate.
Title of this book: That It Is What We Do Before We Present the Basics That Will Create Success or Failure for Our Children as They Learn.
Now, if I'm done with this document, I can tap close in the upper right-hand corner. And it gives me the opportunity to export the images if I want. I don't want to, so I'm going to tap close. And now we're back so that we can snap a picture of another document and hear it out loud.